So today we're changing the slack or the U-bolts on this trailer. As you can see, they're both pretty, they kept going loose, but they're pretty mangled up. You know what I'm talking about? So we heated them up, we got them off. Oh, need the other new one. Him the other one. Please. Alright. Now. Let's see. Switch the angle, buddies. Set up my little pod here. Get some light. You gotta make sure all this stuff got moved because they moved them around. That's how you know. You can see everything all out of the way and all cattywampus. So you put all this shit back in where it's supposed to go, back the right way. And you're gonna have to bend your U-bolts. I mean, it kind of sounds like it'll be hard because they're metal, but they're actually pretty easy. So, you grab the U-bolt. We had to cut these down too, of course, because they don't make a foot-long socket. So, I'm gonna try and do this with you guys without having to stop the video, but I probably won't be able to. Alright, there we go. We have the light to this side. See it? All good. Alright, so you get her up there. Alright. I'm gonna have to use two hands, so let me pause the video real quick. I'm gonna have to. I just don't want to make it long and boring for you guys. Well, I should be able to get it like this, maybe. Hold up. Oh, man, I hate doing this. Alright, there we go. Oh, man, hold on. Can you even see it on there? Yeah, right there. Alright, let me try it. Ow! Crap. Alright. She got it. She bang, she bang. Ah, come on, man. I hate this. That's the part I hate. Let's bend her out a little bit. It actually bends pretty kind of easy. Yeah. All right, now let's try it. Boy, this is stupid. There we go. Oh my. I probably made that way more difficult than it had to be. I got her in there though. Pop this up. Slide that back into place, like so. Then we gotta grab the other one. I always save all the old bolts and everything too, just in case. So they strip out. They're hauling they're hauling iron from cliffs, so they're like 111, between 111 and 117,000 pound loads. 117,000, yeah, 117,000 pounds total weight. So they move around and stuff like that. Get this one off. I had to cut these down, so I want to make sure I put these in the right spots. It'll make a difference, but for me,
As long as 14 is on by 2,
OCD,
we got a little bit
keep
of
them
time.
together.
And then this one's one of the early ones, so we're good there.
And this one here. Put it in there. There we go. Now that part's easy. Well, this next part's not hard, but just gotta get it in the. Make sure your shim or plate, whatever you want to call it, is in there. Alright. Come back down here. Grab the plate. This is where you gotta do your bending. Maybe, let's see. Well, I don't have to bend this at all.
No,
Let me get one started though, so I can get the Loctite on there.
that's how warped the other ones were.
Oh yeah.
From the heat, from having to heat them and tighten.
Oh yeah. I know, I've done this one at least 3 times. Alright, get up there, big boy. This one might have to be, maybe. There we go. Nope, she good. Let me see. Can you guys still see? Yeah, right there. Try and get you up a little bit right there. Good, yeah. Alright. Oh, yeah, she's good.
That's tight enough. Send it.
Damn, my light keeps falling off. I had to change hats so all this stuff don't fall on my ear. So I put on my stocking hat and everything is just.
Must be smaller.
What?
Your hat.
Oh, it's thicker though, because the. Man, this thing ain't going right. Just stay on there, okay. Well, it'll suck itself out there. Hopefully. Lock tight. Mm. 277. We gotta make sure this thing will never come off. Come on, baby. It's kind of so thick, man. I don't ever want to. Here we go. It's coming. It's coming. It's that good Loctite. It's that good. Alright.
The boss one, not this one.
So get that before it dries. I'm gonna be screwed. I'm just gonna put it in the bolt and do it like that. A bunch of it in there.
There we go.
Alright. Get her up there. Get your next one's going. Get that quick for that Loctite dries. This stuff is already thick enough as it is. You don't need it drying up too. Alright. Last one. Oh, it's coming out of the lid still. That's crazy. Oh, it's coming off the thing. It's leaking all over me.
You like it?
She's a squirter. Alright, and then you're gonna grab the impact, get her snug up started. Why is it still coming out of the top? That's not gonna come off now. That lid ain't overflowed. Alright, let me grab the. Oh yeah, why is that doing that? Let me grab a hammer real quick. Give it a little tappy tap. Ugh. Make sure it falls back in the same grooves as where it's supposed to go. She'll pull herself together once I tighten it. There we go. Alright. This don't want to go, does it? Let's see. Alright. Just need to grab the impact. A little snug-a-dug-dug. Come on. Make sure everything up top is lined up. Oh, dang it. Let that Loctite to dry. One second. Alright.
Where's your GoPro?
My GoPro's in my bag.
Oh, so you don't got a hat one?
I forgot my GoPro bag at the house. It's got all that shit on it. I got it all that's at the house. I grabbed everything else but the GoPro bag.
This one right here's a better camera anyways, ain't it?
I think so. Dude, this ain't lining up in that same groove. I mean, it's in it, but not fucking perfect, man.
It should, as long as it's close to it, when you tighten it, it should suck it right in.
Yeah, it's almost on it all the way.
Is it in the divot at all?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, tighten it up. It is suck. Watch it as you tighten it.
I know. Alright. Let me move this camera out the way. It's gonna get loud, guys. Ugh. The power of the snap-on, baby. Alright, and hammer them on in. Still going in my ear. There, I get this out of there real quick. I got a big chunk of dirt right in my ear. Hopefully it won't break out. Oh man. Why I hate that.
You should have wore your earbuds.
I put my hat, my stocking cap on so it would stop the dirt, and it went right past the little gap in my stocking cap. Well, I ordered that ear camera on TikTok. It should be here hopefully soon.
You should have paused it. You can cut that out, can't you?
What?
Right now?
Alrighty. Alright, and once you're sure your stuff's all tightened up and down, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here because I'm gonna hammer on it a little bit more with the bar. Make sure it's on there snug and tight. Just want to show you guys that's how you change a U-bolt on a trailer. Right there. Let's see, get the light. Nice and that's from rubbing back and forth. There you go. She's all on there, guys. Alright, man. See y'all on the next video.